Ever struggled with messy formatting in a Word document? Don't worry, clearing it is super easy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove all formatting in just a few clicks. If your document has bold, italics, underlines, colors, or other formatting and you want to reset it back to default, here's what to do. First, select the text you want to reset. Go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click Clear All Formatting, and that's it. Your text will return to the default style instantly. Want an even faster way? Try this keyboard shortcut. Select the text, then press Ctrl plus space on your keyboard. This removes character-level formatting like fonts, bold, or italics, while keeping paragraph formatting like indents and line spacing. Super simple, right? If this tutorial helped, give it a like. And for more quick Microsoft Word tips, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.